One click, one heart. CSNHS-ASC Hub song by the Alliance of Student Consumers. In a corner of our school, a light begins to shine. Helping hands and open arts, together we align. From printing pages big or small, to guiding students through it all. We serve with love, we stand as one. Our mission's just begun. At the CSNHS-ASC Hub we ride. With every click we aim to guide. With service strong and spirits high, together we can touch the sky. Printing dreams, connecting minds. In unity our purpose binds. A hub of hope where love is true. We serve the school, we're here for you. A simple print, a helping hand. A place where everyone can stand. With access free and lessons clear, we lift each other year by year. From basic skills to learning more, we open wide the knowledge door. At the CSNHS-ASC Hub we ride. With every click we aim to guide. With service strong and spirits high, together we can touch the sky. Crunching dreams, connecting minds. In unity our purpose finds. A hub of hope where love is true. We serve this school, we're here for you. No one's left behind in the space we find. That service is the heart of who we are. Students hand in hand, we make a stronger land. Together we will go so far. At the CSNHS-ASC Hub we rise. With every click we aim to guide. With service strong and spirit high, together we can touch the sky. Printing dreams, connecting minds. In unity our purpose binds. A hub of hope where love is true. We serve the school, we're here for you. CSNHS will stand with you.